Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the best in beauty, one honest review at a time. Today, we're exploring something that promises to bring a versatile pop of color to both your cheeks and lips, Rimmel London's Kind & Free Multi-Stick in 001 Caramel Dusk. Whether you're looking for a blush or a lip color, this little stick claims to do it all while delivering a nourishing, hydrating experience. But does it really hold up? Let's find out. The Rimmel London Kind & Free Multi-Stick is a multi-purpose product designed for use on both the cheeks and lips. It's part of Rimmel's Clean Beauty collection, boasting a cruelty-free, vegan formula that's free of perfume and mineral oils. The stick comes in a buildable, highly pigmented shade called Caramel Dusk, which is described as the perfect balance of warmth and depth for a natural yet impactful look. With 48% post-consumer recycled material in the packaging, it's also a more sustainable choice. Now, let's talk about real-world testing. I've been using this for a few days to see how it stacks up. When it comes to application, this stick really shines. It glides on so effortlessly, and the formula feels smooth and nourishing on the skin. There's a noticeable hydration boost. As a blush, it blends out beautifully, giving you that natural flush without feeling heavy. On the lips, it offers a soft, satin finish that's comfortable and not at all drying. One thing I did notice is the buildability. Whether I wanted a light, subtle wash of color or a more intense pop, I could easily achieve both without worrying about patchiness. The color lasts a decent amount of time, though I would say it may need a quick touch-up by midday if you're using it on your lips, especially if you're eating or drinking. But on the cheeks, it holds up pretty well through the day. Let's break down the pros and cons. The main pros here are the versatility and the clean, nourishing formula. It's easy to apply, and the buildable pigmentation makes it suitable for a wide range of skin tones. The fact that it's vegan, cruelty-free, and formulated without mineral oils or perfume is a huge plus, especially for those with sensitive skin. The texture is smooth and moisturizing, which makes it feel more like a skincare product than just color cosmetics. As for the cons, the only downside I can find is that it may not have the longest wear time on the lips, especially if you're looking for something super long-lasting. Also, while the shade Caramel Dusk is beautiful, it may not be for everyone, as it's a warm, neutral tone that might not work well for all undertones. Now the question, is this product worth the price? At its price point, I would say yes. You're getting a high-quality, multi-purpose product that can be used on both your cheeks and lips, which makes it a solid investment for someone looking to streamline their beauty routine with a clean formula. If you're someone who values sustainable beauty choices, the eco-friendly packaging and clean ingredients make it even more appealing. When comparing it to similar products on the market, there are other multi-sticks that offer a similar concept, but many of them lack the level of hydration and pigmentation this one delivers. For example, some cheaper alternatives may not be as buildable or may leave your skin feeling dry throughout the day. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and functional, with a twist-up design that makes application quick and easy. The product itself has a creamy texture that doesn't feel too oily, so it won't slide off your skin, but still gives that fresh, dewy look. I haven't had to deal with customer support directly, but Rimmel as a brand has a solid reputation for responsive customer service in case any issues arise. So who is this product for? If you're someone who's into clean beauty, sustainability, and the idea of simplifying your makeup routine with a multi-use product, this could be a great fit for you. It's a good option for those who want a hydrating, easy-to-apply blush and lipstick without the hassle of multiple products. However, if you prefer a longer-lasting lip product that doesn't need touching up, this may not be your top choice. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support means the world and helps us keep delivering honest reviews just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used the Rimmel London Kind & Free Multi-Stick, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.